This is Ethan Claycamp, Farm Bill wildlife biologist for Pheasants Forever and Quail Forever. We're in northwest Carroll County this morning and we're doing a breeding bird survey for grassland birds. This is part of a larger effort with the 2C quail focus area. Itself part of a whole nationwide effort through the National Bobwhite Conservation Initiative to try to monitor trends of what have become declining grassland birds. And so we're listening for bobwhite quail, pheasants, dick sissels, eastern meadowlarks, and field sparrows. And we've really been hearing a lot of birds, even though we're in a control area. So things are really starting to look good in this part of the state.